In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of Gmail not receiving emails. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network. You can open a browser or another application to verify that you have internet access. If you notice a weak connection or no connection at all, this may prevent emails from syncing. Consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, restarting your router can often help restore connectivity, which is crucial for receiving emails. Next, open the Gmail app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the settings option, usually found in the menu or by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. From the list of accounts, select the one you are having issues with, check to see if the sync feature is enabled, look for the option labeled Sync Gmail and ensure that it is turned on. To further refresh your inbox, you can manually pull down the screen to update. Additionally, confirm that background data is allowed for the Gmail app, as this permits emails to update properly in real time. After confirming sync settings, the next step involves clearing the app's cache or updating the Gmail application, access your device's settings again, and then navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Find and select Gmail from the list of installed applications. Once in the Gmail settings, tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing issues. If the app is out of date, you should update it from the Play Store. After making these changes, restart your device to ensure all updates take effect, as this can often resolve syncing problems. If you are still experiencing difficulties with receiving emails, consider contacting support for further assistance. Sometimes there may be account-specific issues that require professional help. Remember that troubleshooting can take a bit of time, and ensuring each step is correctly followed can significantly impact the resolution of the problem. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.